Alright, so for today's video, just gonna have an overview of everything that I will be bringing to DHS. I got most of it packed up. If you're watching this video, I did try to upload another video that I had made, but something went wrong and I wasn't happy with how it had uploaded, so I deleted it. So now we're doing this video. So this is kind of an overview of everything that I'm bringing to DHS for those of you that are going, and for those of you that aren't going, you can see what I'm bringing. So to start off here, in this box we have, there's a Jeep right here, and then we have a Moffett forklift right there. We have the D6 LGP right there. We just have a Landau tilt trailer right there. That goes with the F250 that I am bringing. Down here, you can see that there is a Kenworth T800. This is actually a tandem T800 in there with my low boy with the wood decking over the wheels. It fits perfect in that box as it doesn't fit in the other box. Right above that is another 3XL lowboy. Right above that are a couple 4XL lowboys that I'm bringing. We got an East dump trailer right there. We do have the black F250 right there. Might be a little hard to see. We have my Hitachi 350 right there. And then we got the T800 with the super single drop axle. And then just another T800 right there. This one's got the chopped fenders. We have my Hitachi 470 right there. We have my Hitachi 870 right here. I'm not sure if this model is going to be on display at all. Someone had expressed interest in buying it, so I'm bringing it mainly for that reason. Coming up to here, we have the Roadtech RP 195E and the 195 or the 190. Both will be on display at my table. Coming up to here, we have my 2XL Rogers lowboy that a lot of people, I guess, like seeing. So I figured I'd bring that along. Coming down to here, we have the Moffett truck right here. And then we have my T800 with the 379 fenders right there. And then over here is the Mack with the 379 fenders as well. Coming into this box, we have an East dump trailer wrapped up in here. We have my tandem T800, another one of my tandem T800s right here, and then the tandem Max back there. So that's just kind of a overview of everything that I am bringing to DHS. For those of you that are going, I look forward to meeting some new faces. As far as right now, it looks like it's going to be a pretty exciting show. Looking real forward to it. But for those of you that aren't going, you know, maybe you can come next year. But I will be uploading my normal videos of the entire show. I'm going to try to do more than just a picture slideshow this year. But I will have that. It's going to be all the pictures I take. And I'm going to try to get some videos of dioramas and models and custom models and stuff like that. And another thing is I might be going live on my Instagram. I am not 100% sure. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to try to go live Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, for those of you that don't know, is the auction. Sunday is the open house. I'm going to try to go live both days. I know I'm going to maybe experiment with going live here on YouTube. I'm not sure if I'm going to have the bandwidth to do that. I know Instagram, it worked last year when we wanted to go live, so probably we'll be going live on there. I'm sure one or more of us that are going to DHS are going to go live on Instagram at some point during the day. But that's just going to do it for this video. So hope to meet some new faces. You kind of got an overview of what I'm bringing to the show, so you shouldn't have too hard of a time finding my table. If you'd like to meet me in person, feel free to. But that's just going to do it for this video. So I will have a link to the open house information in the description. So if you are in the Ohio area or you're interested in going, you can check the link out. All the information's there. But that's going to do it for this video. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video to be uploaded.